In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste pictures from Google to PowerPoint. We'll walk through two simple ways, a quick copy and paste method and a save then insert method that usually gives you better image quality. Use the quick method when you need speed and the second method when clarity matters. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. At the top, click on Images to switch into image search mode. Type in the keyword that best describes what you're looking for and press enter. Be as specific as you can. Adding words like diagram, icon, or transparent background can narrow results. Also keep in mind that images you find online may be subject to copyright, so check usage rights if you're using them beyond personal or educational purposes. When you see something you like, click the image to open the larger preview. Give it a moment to load. This preview is important because it often shows a higher resolution version than the small thumbnail. For the quick method, right-click directly on that larger preview and choose Copy Image. If you don't see that option or the site blocks copying, don't worry, we'll use the second method in a moment. Now switch to your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the slide where you want the picture to appear, then right-click on the slide and choose Paste or press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The image will appear on the slide. You can drag it to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize while keeping its proportions. If the image looks a bit blurry or pixelated, that's a sign you may be pasting a lower resolution preview. For the best quality, try the Save Then Insert method. Back in Google Images, right-click the larger preview and select Save Image As. Choose a folder you'll remember and click Save. If you can pick a file type, PNG and JPEG are the most common choices for PowerPoint. Now return to PowerPoint. Click the Insert tab at the top, choose Pictures, then this device. Navigate to the folder where you saved the image, select it, and click Insert. This brings the full file into your slide and usually preserves higher resolution, so it stays crisp when you resize it. From here, you can align it with other objects, add a border or shadow if you like, and you're done. That's it. 2 easy ways to bring images from Google into PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.